Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Charlotte, if you didn't already know, and this is the look that I'm going to be creating today. I went for a slightly like a pink look. I incorporated some products that I wouldn't necessarily normally use. If this is something you like the look of, then please like, subscribe, but stick around if you want to see this look. Right guys, so I'm probably going to end up pronouncing this wrong, but I'm going in with Wild Rose from MELIKIOR Pro. I think that's how you say that. I'm just going to put that in my crease. Just a really nice light pink colour. So I've zoomed you in slightly for this bit. I'm going in with my MAC 252 brush, and I'm just going in with the Prolongwear concealer in the shade NC15. I'm just going to cut my crease. So I'm going to go ahead and do that on the other side, and I'll be straight back. Right, so I've gone ahead and done that on the other side. Now I'm going in with Pink Glow Highlighter from BOBBI brand. I'm just going to set my crease colour with that. So I just packed on that colour on my lid. Next of all, I'm going to take Black Track from MAC, and I'm just going to do a straight line across, and I'm probably going to buff it slightly into the outer corner. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go off camera and quickly do the straight line, and then I'll come back for when we're doing the buffing in the outer corner. Right, so I went off camera and did my liner. If you guys want to see a tutorial on generally liner, wing liner, or anything like that, then please leave it in the comments below. I'm now going back in with Black Track. The same as what we've just done the liner with, and I'm just going to buff that into the outer crease. Right, so next up I'm going to go in with a Reflex Transparent Teal, and I mix it with a little bit of Mademoiselle from Peaches and Cream makeup. I just mix them together. I'm now going to go over the black liner that we just did with that same angled brush. I'm going to move on to the other eye, and then I'll show you how we're going to bring that into the crease. Right, so my camera died. I just popped on some lashes. They're Prima lashes in the style Dead, and I just popped on a little bit of mascara. Bottom lash line, I did that Wild Rose shade from MELIKIOR Pro, and then I just buffed out the Smolder liner that I put in the waterline. Underneath foundation, I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty foundation in the shade 270, and I've just mixed in a little bit of what's it called? The new Revilution concealer. It's meant to be like a tart Shape Tape dupe. I've just mixed a little bit of that in, and I'm just going in with a damp beauty sponge to blend that out. It's really good coverage. My skin hasn't been great at the moment, so I do need a little bit more coverage. Has everybody seen the Jeffree Star Blood Sugar palette. I really want it. I really want to do like a really dramatic red smoky eye with it. But yeah, it looks really nice. There's so much nice makeup. I was saying yesterday, there's so much nice makeup coming out at the moment. It's amazing, obviously, that the beauty industry is like bringing out so much. It's just so tempting to literally buy everything. I'll set myself an amount for the month and I'll be like, I won't go over that. And then another thing comes out and another thing comes out and another thing comes out. And then by the end of the month, you're absolutely broke. But you're surrounded by good makeup, so I'm fine with that. I find I really like this foundation. It just doesn't wear amazing on me. Like, I can wear it to work, so like 8 hours and I'll be fine. But I tend to find, like, for example, if I was to go to work and go out for food afterwards, it's just not holding up. The only foundation I've ever found to actually hold up would be Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk, strangely, although my skin is so oily, or the Dior Forever. That one holds up quite nicely on my skin. But I'm going in with their LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Creamy Beige. And I'm only going with a tiny bit just to like brighten up my under eyes ever so slightly. I say a tiny bit and then I plaster it on. Has anyone been watching All Stars? Because I'm like low-key living for it. Although I know there's quite a lot of controversy, but I low-key like, I wanted Morgan Michaels to win. Like, she was in my top that I thought was gonna win. Oh, and if you haven't noticed, I've changed my hair colour. I don't think you can really see. It's not showing up, I don't think, but it's like a dark grey kind of colour. And I've had quite a lot of length taken off as well. I just fancied a change. I'd wanted to go like silver grey for ages. It's so hard going from like nearly jet black hair to like grey. So what I've done is I decided to go, well, I didn't decide, like my hair just wasn't going to be able to go like bright silver straight away. So we've gone for like a darker silver, and then I'm either going to get like silver highlights or hopefully this colour will fade slightly, and then I'll slowly go to like a really nice like bright silver grey. But I just fancied a change from my brunette hair. Just gets a bit boring after a while. For bronzer, I'm going in with the Tom Ford bronzer in the shade Moodlight. I'm just taking that around the temples of my face. Obviously I am tanned at the moment, so I'm not going to go too crazy on the bronzer. Add a little bit of like dimension to my face so I don't look flat. So can we also take a minute for this jumper? But it says, you can't really see, it says love. It is so cute. I can't remember the girl's name on Instagram, but I saw her wearing it. She paired it with like some high-waisted red trousers and it looked so nice. I had to order it straight away. I'm only going in with a tiny amount of blush. And then for highlight, I'm so excited. You guys know how much I love highlight. Literally like the best thing ever invented. And I got the Kat Von D Metal Crush palette. The packaging is to die for. But I didn't think, I like them a lot, but I didn't think they'd be how they were. Like, I love them more than what I expected. Almost glittery, but I low-key love that. Like, I don't even care. Going in with the pink shade. Gamma-ray, I could be saying. Gamma-ray, yeah. I could be saying that wrong. But yeah. So nice. Like, it's almost subtle, in a weird way. This probably isn't subtle for most people, but for me this is like relatively tame. But I love it. So last one, going in with lips. Went in with, you guys are probably wondering what the hell this is on my hand. It's a mix between Dodgy Fake Tan, and attempting to do love hearts. I was thinking about maybe incorporating little love hearts under the eyes. I might try it. You might just randomly see it, it might pop up, but it was a struggle. For lips, I'm going in with Pressed Blooms lip liner from MAC. It's the new one, Lip Intensity one. I really like the shape of them because someone like me that overdraws their lips quite a lot, it's quite easy because it's got that natural curve. It reminds me of Soar lip liner from MAC, which is like one of my favourite lip liners, but slightly different. And then I'm going in with Scorpio Gloss from Tan Beauty. It's like a really pale nude. And then, just because I'm being extra, I'm going to put on, found it in Primark. It's called a Crushed Metallic Lipstick. It reminds me a lot of the Lime Crime Diamond Crushers, which I love. Just pop a little bit of that in the centre. Right, so this is the finished look. I might attempt to go put some love hearts on now, just see what it looks like, but I'm gonna say thanks for watching and everything now in case it goes terribly wrong and then I have no footage to film with. So thanks for watching. If you guys like this look, then please subscribe, that would be amazing. Any questions or anything, please comment in the comment section. But yeah, like, subscribe, any questions, just leave it down below. And thanks for watching, guys. Bye.